Thousands fleeing their houses, bracing for more downpours as the death toll is expected to rise. But according to one university teacher, Texas deserves all of that because they voted for President Trump. In a now deleted tweet, University of Tampa professor, his name is Ken Story, he wrote, "I don't believe in instant karma, but this kind of feels like it for Texas. Hopefully this will help them realize GOP doesn't care about them. Those who voted for him here deserve it as well." Here in Florida, he means. Here to react to this is Fox News contributor Katie Pavlich. Hey, Katie.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. What was your reaction to this guy's tweet?
Look, this guy's an assistant visiting professor at the University of Tampa. He's been teaching there since 2011. The Turning Point USA activist, which is this amazing organization on campus, found this tweet, and when there was response to it, he not only deleted the tweet, but deleted his entire social media profile. My response to it is, there are people hurting. They're still trying to find people. They're begging for volunteers. Neighbors are helping neighbors, and they're not asking for their voter registration card when they ask them to get in their boat to take them to safety. And for him to say this just really shows that he's very cynical about the way that people work and people helping each other, not for the sake of politics, but because of humanity. And it was just the wrong place at the wrong time. He hasn't issued an apology. We haven't heard anything from the university. But how negative do you really have to be to judge this horrible situation by politics and to say that people, innocent people, deserve this based on the way that they think politically?
What can we learn from this as a country?
That, we're beyond our politics. When you look at the photos that have been coming out of Houston, it's not about that. It doesn't matter who you voted for. And by the way, Houston is a blue city, not that it actually matters in this case, but it doesn't matter who you voted for when tragedy like this strikes. People are helping each other because that's the decent American thing to do. And I think that when you look at the vitriol in the country and the division, this was certainly a time that people were coming together. People in Houston are showing it. We're worried about Louisiana now. And this was certainly the wrong response, but it's typical response coming from universities. We see this all the time. Turning Point is constantly showing us what goes on college campuses. He is not atypical in the way that he thinks, in the sense that the left believes that people who voted for Donald Trump deserve bad things like a hurricane to happen to them.
It's just so nasty and so hurtful and so callous, without compassion. He did release an apology. He said, "I deeply regret a statement I posted yesterday. I never meant to wish ill will upon any group. I hope all affected by Harvey recover quickly." So it seems to me that he has learned his lesson.
Good.
Whether or not he'll be fired, we don't know. We haven't heard from the
And I'm not sure that he should be fired over this, but it's certainly a good thing that he issued the apology. And I just hope that he would take a step back and say, these are my fellow Americans. I should stop judging them based on their political ideology, and I certainly shouldn't wish them harm, especially in this extreme, catastrophic way, simply because they think differently than I do when it comes to politics.
Yeah, well, hopefully he's learned his lesson. Thanks so much, Katie.
Thanks.